Welcome, my lovelies, to Mama Beyond Sight. And I am your host, and my name is Sandra. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome home. Here on Mama Beyond Sight, you will find spiritual guidance along with intuitive channeling, spirit readings, and I will teach you how to speak to spirit and raise your your energy, your consciousness. Okay, we always want to reach God consciousness, right? Better said. So let me plug in my mic. Hopefully, let's see. You're watching. Okay. Hopefully it's on. Anyway, so here I will show you how to um, raise your energy and reach God conscious and speak with spirit. Okay. On the request of a few of my subscribers whom wants to speak about more about angels and spirits along with how to, right? How do you open up your third eye? How do you become a person putting on God's armor, as they say, and speak to spirit? Um, I could guide you in that. My way is not the only one way. There are many different ways of doing it, but I will teach you. I will give you what was given to me. Okay. I've had quite a few good, great, fantastic teachers in life. Unfortunately, they have passed to the other side, and I have um, inherited all this knowledge. All right. And speaking about knowledge, that's a number one key of opening up your third eye. You know, um, reading, and reading, especially when you don't have an elder to guide you and give you some of these lessons. But today, well, in the near future, Mama Beyonce is going to give you the tools that she's learned. Well, some of them at least, right? Um, First on the list would be you knowing yourself, and you knowing yourself and releasing that which does not serve you any longer. Those notions that you have of I can't, or someone over there told you can, and you've hanged on to that notion. Uh, these are incorporated in ego. Okay, and ego in this setting does not have no purpose. Okay, ego only keeps you away from that which is true. Okay, it keeps that veil over your eyes, right? And when we're stuck on that point, when we're stuck in that energy, guess what? The devil, Satan, demons, whatever you want to call them, they um, they come and they live on that type of energy. So you know, I will I will teach you how to. These are why I have meditation sessions on my channel, because this teaches you how to focus and how to clear out clutter. Okay, clear out that which no longer serves you, and know you. You know, for example, if someone tells me I'm ugly, how does it affect me? You know, what do I do with that thought of that person? You know, there's a saying that goes, you cannot define me, you know, right? So when we learn how to allow that notion, that thought of that person not to affect us, and we know what to do with it appropriately, because we lashing back out is not putting us in God's conscience, right? Energy. So meditation will help you in that area, and we will do a series of those meditations uh, in the new year. Okay, I'm going to provide you back to back videos, and then here and there we'll come back and ground ourselves, right? Then the second is knowledge. You know. Oh wait, before the knowledge is what do you feel a calling on? And after we go through our meditations, there we'll find that answer also. Okay. You know, many people are great at speaking with spirit and not doing the tarot cards. Some people are great doing tarot cards. Some people don't need any type of divination tools. Some people do. Okay. Some people see spirit. Some people just hear spirit or feel spirit, on and on and on. Um, Mama Beyonce sees, feels, and smells, and all the other above. Yeah, you know, it's been a long journey for me, but again, we have to keep in mind that we have to not run with this notion and take our time, because we need to fortify ourselves and strap on these armors, okay, of knowledge of how to um, discard certain feelings, and why do we have these feelings, etc., right? Because the demon, the Satan, Lucifer, whatever you want to call them, they will creep in. Okay, they are here now, you know. But for certain people, they stay a distance, and they still try, but they stay a distance because we're not putting out that energy for them to feed off of, and that's what I want to teach you. Okay, so we got meditation, we got knowing yourself, knowing um what area are you being called to do, right? You might be called to do all the six or seven, right? It's like the and getting knowledge, reading up on what intrigues you. You know, if it's spirituality, I will. I'm gonna find my book and take a picture so you can see the book of Alan Kardec. He speaks about a lot about the spiritual world, and there are many prayers there that I personally use, and many espiritista uses. There are other books also, um, but like I was mentioning before, there's the tree of life, and in that tree of life we have many different branches, and those branches have branches within themselves. So, you know, just to name a few, we have espirititas, we have santeros, we have mayumberos, Ifa, and that list could go on. We got Wicca, Krishna, Jehovah, Catholic. That list could go on. Believe me, we're all on that tree, all of us. Okay, um, so you know we have to see which one are you feeling closer to. Um, Me personally, I'm not crowned, but I work a lot with the Orishas and the 21 divisions that are called luau's. Okay. My mother in the luau is Santa Marta, la Dominadora. Yeah. If you look her up, that's big stuff. But yeah. So you might be interested in Palo. You might be interested in the 21 division. You might be interested in just and it's not just, it's spirituality. And as the religions say in these platforms, the dead came before the saint. El muerto vino antes del santo. So it's important for you to work with spirit first. You know, Now if you have that inkling of being going further, santeros, and all the other ones that I mentioned, that's a whole different branch. But here, Mama Beyonce will give you the basics, okay? And again, meditation, knowing yourself, knowing what is calling you, you know, and um, having information, schooling yourself. And I can't read anymore because I'm partially blind, but Google and YouTube provides a lot of books. Amazon and other um, that provides ebooks, electronic books, you know, that you could utilize online. Yeah. So it's there's no excuse, right? There's no excuse. But anyway, so again, my lovelies, do not rush yourself. Do not just go and do one thing one person says and the other thing the other person says. Stick with one topic. Stick with one person. You know, they always say to find an elder to guide you. You know, you have to be careful of that. Who you're picking to be your teacher, but you know, many times that helps out. Me, unfortunately, my mother and my godmother passed at in my early years of life. So a lot of the things that I know and have accumulated is by spirit. I allow spirit to guide me. Yeah. I don't allow someone to say I can't do that because I'm not initiated. You know, I have Chango, I have Yemaya, Ojemoja, I have Oshu. You know, these spirits have come to me. Okay, I've seen them with clear eyes. You know, so they're here to serve, to help me, and I serve them. You know, and amongst other spirits. You know, so you know it's been a long journey for me and a bit difficult, but I leave it into my spirit's hands, and they have guided me, and I have not you know gone wrong. Again, if I would tell you my story, many of you won't believe it. Yeah. Yeah, it's been long and hard, but you know the purpose, there's a reason for all of that, and I understand that today, right? So I understand that today, and I understand that I'm here to help you. All right, to help you. All right. So in the new year we are going to start. Okay. I have I'm creating a little program, and we're gonna stay fast on it. All right, my lovelies. If you have any further questions or comments, I will oblige. So don't. There's no silly question or no silly comments. Do not hesitate. Like, share, and subscribe if you have not done that yet. My lovelies, I welcome you home. You know, um, I have so much to say about the topic, but I want to save that for the new year and give you little spoonfuls. All right. So get yourself a little journal, a pen, a paper, a pencil, and get ready. All right, my lovelies. That I'm going to teach you the basics of spirituality. For beginners, my lovelies. I want we'll do a Kawi show on Monday, so stay tuned for that. Once again, thank you, my lovelies, for your love and your support. And remember that a small star in the dark sky shines brightly, and we must shine bright. Okay? We must shine bright. Yeah, baby. I am your host, and my name is Sandra. Come on. I gotta reach. I gotta reach. I gotta reach far and wide. Yeah, you know why? The phone's over there. All right, my lovelies. Come on, pucker up. hmm I don't see it. I'm gonna wait. Come on. Later. Let's see.